Hello, Coast Landscape Company. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO, and we're a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I was told Darren would be the correct person to watch this. So Mr. Darren, I hope you're watching. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on what you can do to improve your website and beat out your competition online. I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. Also, if you already have a SEO agency, this video will show you what you currently have going behind the background of your website, and also comparing it to your current competitor. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. This is your website here. It looks pretty good. The colors, I like this little image here. It looks like you have easy navigation, which is fine. A drop-down menu here. Overall, you don't have a lot of content here. The first thing I want to go over is exactly that, the content. That's basically anything that you can see in the front page of your website, and that's including images. Image optimization is also an important aspect of your website to rank. Basically, this is saving your image as a keyword with relevant background information. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve your relevance to the services that you offer, and also boost a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, I would recommend to add some keywords on there. Just insert keywords organically without stuffing. What I mean by keyword or words, it's pretty much how I found you. In this case was landscaping, Anaheim, California. This is how I found you. Of course, you weren't in the first page of Google. However, just keep in mind, Google needs to see the keywords on your page, and these keywords must be visible to your users. The easy approach is to either create content around your keywords or naturally wave your keywords into the page. Any attempt to go bonkers to just throw keywords on your paragraphs at your homepage will look horrible and may set off spam filters and search engines. Use your keywords naturally throughout the content. Repeating your keywords once or twice is more than enough. Let's jump into arrows here. This is what you currently have going in the background of your website. This is a paid tool. This is what we use. It's a good tool. You could jump into arrows.com. If you don't mind paying for it, you could, monitor what you currently have. The backlinks, looks like you have 91, referring domains 25, organic keywords, again with the keywords 14, organic traffic 25. Looks like last month you got 25 people jumping into your website. This could be anything. It doesn't really necessarily mean it's because of your keywords. I mean, people probably already know your website and they jumped in. However, the second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks, which is this section here, currently 91. When you think of the website, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. A backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your URL level here. Based on the 91, it's giving you a 17% boost, which is not bad, but you want to keep these two in a 1:1 ratio. This would really help you out in the eyes of Google. The third and final thing is citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you've heard at least one of these platforms. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services. To create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services, that's pretty much what a citation is. And the level for that would be the DR meter here. It looks like you have 0. So you might need some help on that with the referring domains. If a website, as you can well imagine, is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls, leads, and all that fun stuff. Again, the landscaping Anaheim, California keyword it has a high volume. There are people searching for that specific service in Anaheim, obviously. However, you're not being found because of the lack of information here running behind your website. Well, hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. Also, before I let you go, let me show you your current competitor. This is pretty much what they have going in the background. So this is their website here. But you can see it's not fairly modern. They do have more content on the homepage of the website. On the background, though, you can see referring domains, they have 772. Organic keywords, again with the keywords, over 1,000. Organic traffic, last month they received 824 people jumping to their website. Backlinks over 1,000. Their UR and DR meter are not at a 1:1 ratio. This is beatable, to tell you the truth. You could try yourself. If you want, just be very careful if you do. Yeah, so I hope this was a good video for you. You now know what to do. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We hope to hear from you soon, Darren. Thank you. Take care.